So, what can we do to prevent this prostate cancer? The first thing is that it is important as a man to manage your body weight. Because yesterday we saw that too much weight is one of the precursors, one of the risk factors. But of course, not everyone that has too much weight gets it. But of course, it's a risk factor. That's why I'm not saying it is a cause, but it's a risk factor. The other thing is diet. It's important as a man to reduce on alcohol consumption, tobacco consumption, too much fatty foods. If you are coming from a family where prostate enlargement or prostate cancer is common, regular checkups is very, very important. The other thing that we can do is that it's very important to take foods that have a lot of zinc, because zinc creates a shield around around the prostate cells. So it prevents them from enlarging. Of course, the enlargement may be there, but zinc prevents that excessive enlargement. The other thing that you can do, there is in tomatoes there is a chemical, we call it a chemical. There is an ingredient called the lysine. Lysine helps to maintain the normal functionality of the prostate cells. So you can keep taking some tomatoes once in a while, especially raw tomatoes, because the lysine is mainly in the raw tomatoes. It can help to maintain the functionality of the prostate. The other thing is, if you have been diagnosed to have prostate cancer, please follow the procedures as provided by the medical personnel. If it's about treatment, take your treatment promptly. If it's about whatever procedures they have prescribed, please follow the procedures. Because the challenge we usually have is that many of our patients, once they have been diagnosed, they tend to have a lot of things that come into play. This one is telling you to drink this one is telling you to drink this. Please follow the doctor's instructions, because some of the things that are prescribed there in the community by people that are not medical or that do not have a medical background, sometimes they actually fasten the process of multiplication, because we have to know that prostate cancer in most cases, once it is in the advanced stages, it usually spreads to the neighboring organs. So it is very important as men, once you have been prescribed any treatment, any procedure, please follow it to the dot. The treatment that they have given you does a number of things. There is treatment that can reduce the pain. There is treatment that can prevent, opportunistic infections. There is treatment that can prevent excessive cell multiplication. Because what we have to know is that when someone has prostate cancer, the prostate cells are actually enlarging and multiplying very fast. So the treatment that a person takes is aimed at a number of things, and that's why I'm emphasizing that once you have been found to have this prostate cancer, please take prompt action. I appreciate you and I thank you. Tomorrow or any other day we shall be starting to discuss breast cancer. Thank you so much.